Welcome back to another installment of Bosephus the Truck, the 1960 F100 custom cab. Um, Not too much going on right now. It's 108 every single day pretty much. And honestly, I don't want to do too much until we push this truck back into the back of the property here. But just seeing it sit here and me not doing much, it drives me crazy. So I've been doing little things here and there, mostly on the inside of the cab, disassembly, checking out general condition of things. Today's Father's Day, so usually Father's Day is garage day for me, but it's just so hot that I can't do it. So I've been spending the day with my kids, and it's been pretty great. But the big news is this next weekend I'm taking the family to Albuquerque, and we're picking up a donor truck. It's a 450-mile drive there, so we're going to turn it into a little mini vacation. So that's going to be cool next video. But it's a big back window, custom cab. It's got 292. It's a little bit rusty in spots, so I'm going to take the best of both trucks and make one super rad truck. But anyway, let's check out some of the stuff I've been doing in here. Okay, so most of my time has been in here just kind of general disassemble, just real easy stuff. Took out the gauge cluster. The glass is all broken, so that'll need to be replaced, or hopefully the next truck will have a nicer one. The gauges seem okay, maybe a little damage. All of the vent lines are completely seized, and I also took the vents out the side. These things are completely clogged with leaves and dust. It seems like a pretty big design flaw that your air comes directly in from here and goes right down through the truck. There's no sort of shield, screen, anything, so maybe I'll make something for that so it doesn't happen again. Also took out the old paper window vents, or sorry, the windshield defrosters. I can't believe they're paper. It's interesting. And also removed the heater core. All this stuff comes out really easy. It's great. Found a really janky Leatherman. Otherwise, you can start to see some of the fiberglass that's in here. It's all over the place here. It's all on the bottom of that door. So I don't really have any good doors, honestly. I don't want to have to replace so much fiberglass. So hopefully the next doors on the donor car are a little bit better, but I'm not holding my breath. Here's some of the cool stuff. Here's the heater core. It looks actually in pretty good condition. Here's the original hinges. And I just picked this up. It's a Magic Air. I think they use these from the early 50s through 60. If I can be concourse perfect, I think 59 and 60 had a silver plate, but I don't really care. I'm not 100% sure that that functions with that blower, but if anything, it'll look cool. Let's see, here's some trim. And I got all the original paperwork for this thing. Okay, let's see if the blower works. It looks like it's in pretty good condition. So I have it hooked up to my battery. Because believe it or not, I don't even have a car battery yet, and I probably won't for a while. Alright, let's see. Hey, look at that. Nice. All right. So this is the battery tray. It stays right there. Take that off. A little rust damage here. So let's see if I can't repair that or find a replacement. Also, to get the heater out, you have to remove 4 nuts out here. Pretty easy stuff. I love working on this truck. It's so easy. So going through all these old registration cards, it's interesting that there's an old for sale sign here from 2017, really not that long ago, asking $5,000. And I can tell you, I bought this for way less than $5,000. Also found these original 57 through 60 hubcaps. They only fit the wheels, they have the inside little nubs. So those are getting harder to find. These are the later outside nubs, and these don't fit. So most of the trucks came with 15-inch wheels, but optional was a pair of 16-inch. So I'm on the hunt for a pair of those. I'm also really excited. I found the correct radio. It's a 1960 date stamp, C04BT. That stands for 1960, the 04 tubes or transistors, I don't remember. And BT for Bendix, something, something, something. Anyway, it's really nice. Goes right in that spot. Turns really good. Nice on and off. The bass and treble in the center. I'm kind of thinking about converting this to one of those Bluetooth systems, so I can have a nice original stereo in here, but have all the nice Bluetooth action going on. Anyway, that's pretty nice. That's about it for this week's video. Nothing extremely exciting, but you know, keep chugging along. I think the next video is going to be pretty cool, so stay tuned.